flood displaces 1,664 persons in 4 Sokoto communities. They say the flood there for this rain will fall 17th of July, so there about wait scatter everywhere. They say what do do for Sokoto now? We come be like the days of Noah. People were floating. See people soup. They waka come up as they go another state. Everybody the thing choke. I they see Sokoto now is soak.
It's Sokoto.
This last rain will fall.
But as you talk about
it's spoil farmlands and
as I told you, I call the fear. Every time we rain fall, any idea so rain fall early morning to come work and they fear. That's the way that you do it. No. Flood. Flood na bad thing, no. Flood na bad thing, no lie you. No bad thing.
And for that they call a flood, it's full of odds.
But we thank God say they do fall like that for Lagos. Maybe
where is the fall for Lagos? It's some part of Lagos.
Yeah, they follow.
For where I grew up in Lagos, I don't even want to talk about it because this is something that affected me. There was a time in my life where you say if rain they fall, I go stand till it finish because
my street.
But talking about this
but you know, say there was get news. Sorry to cut. You get news where we read early this way some statistics.
There's some part of Nigeria. Yes.
Say this year's flood go mad. Nation Lagos, I think this Sokoto.
Yes, was part of it. Yes,
and some other part of the state where you go.
Geographically.
Geographically, still the July like this. You say something.
Talking about this flood.
Okay.
Like you said, the one is don't really.
Yes,
earlier this year.
Yes.
If the people who get in charge of this geography and everything, they don't foresee this thing.
Yes.
Why the government or the people in charge they not take note of this thing? No, say this thing will happen in future. Why we not prepare for this thing?
Okay, you know affect their allowances and salaries. If flood like me, why now waiting consign them? Like say that they talk now, you know, like minimum wage now. They don't do and I can't warn them. Say if we increase this to 250, we will increase fuel. And they fear.
And this
now, if this thing now has a threat.
So if flood carry all of now come out on a salary. Don't just to come.
They don't
build bridge.
This one rain.
They will not find us.
Another one they come. Another one they come.
Wait for Dubai. Spoil that thing. The next week, the work start.
Now for this year now, have the May, August, rain and September.
But they come.
When still they come?
Yes, and the major.
Like that one we wait for.
That's
so no, we never start now.
Never start. This one now just
a tip of the ice block.
Well, maybe communities rest in peace.
They don't die. They displace them. They move from place to another.